Hey yo, Jay, can we get some ratchet one time?
Look, I don't wanna talk. How you try and press the kid and read it, you was soft. All you know is capping, homie, you don't know the law. Pedal to the metal, you ain't catching me in park. I just hit the stop, I don't wanna speak. Talking all that good, so I just hit you with the plays. Running up the score like Tyreek, I'm going deep. Watch me how I'm saucing out. Pedal to the metal, you ain't catching me in park. I just hit the stop, I don't wanna speak. Talking all that good, so I just hit you with the plays. Running up the score like Tyreek, I'm going deep. Watch me how I'm saucing, I be spreading it with ease. You gon' see the peace, you gon' see the flex when you hear these writtens. Trust me, you know the difference.
How's it going?
Hey bro, how you doing?
I don't know, that depends.
Well, I just stopped you to do a safety inspection, that's all.
Please don't.
Why not?
I'm on a reset with 1 hour left on my 70. If I get an inspection, if I had to start my clock, I won't have any hours to load tomorrow.
Well, I'm doing an inspection, so.
Son of a...
You got your license with you?
Man, now I can't work tomorrow. Now I'm going to have to call the company and tell them they're going to cancel my load.
Where are you coming from?
I'm at TA. I'm just going to the store to go get some groceries. Son, boy, they gonna be mad. I even got a sticker. I just got inspected a couple weeks ago.
What where were you headed to? You said you waiting on a...
Well, yeah, I'm at TA. I'm resetting.
Okay.
I'll go to Walmart, go get some groceries and stuff. Okay. You can see them on personal conveyance because, like I said,
where you were going after that?
right back to the TA.
No, I'm talking about, you know, after...
Oh, I loaded in Theodore.
Okay. You got your registration with you?
Yep.
You drive for LPG Logistics?
Yeah, I contract with them. Loaded daggone 5:30 in the morning tomorrow here in Theodore. Just got a daggone good clean inspection, daggone like two and a half weeks ago. Even got a sticker.
You doing
It is level 3. Or yeah, level 1, whatever it was.
They don't give stickers.
Yeah, level 1. Pulled in the pit there in West Virginia.
Pop your door, I need to get some lumber coffee.
Pump not on there.
Say what now?
Pump not on there, it's a glider. The glider kid, there ain't nothing on here.
Okay, here's your motor.
The motor? On my phone. Detroit D60.
What year's your motor?
99. Let's see.
But you're using an ELD?
Yeah, I got it. Well, let's see if I have it in here. I actually had the paperwork in this one, in my old one.
for your logs?
Yeah. Let's see. Somewhere I actually had all the paperwork on the year of the motor and all that too, just in case I got stopped by DOT.
Yeah.
I just didn't sign last night's log because I was still in PC, so I just was waiting until I logged in tomorrow morning. This thing has a habit, if you touch anything while you're off duty, it throws you in on duty if you touch anything on the daggone log. So I'm like, I try not to mess with it. I'm gonna reset. Did that before, screwed up a reset. Just running back and forth between Theodore and Hopewell, Virginia. Running some dedicated stuff right now.
Pop your hood, I just need to verify your serial number.
There's some Detroit on the motor. Here manufactured 1996.
What are you using, electronic logbook mode?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you're not going to be able to transfer it if you're using the electronic logbook. I'm going to just look at it. You just go to the graphic page of it.
Darn thing on duty here.
Kinda neat.
They're trying to get this thing on duty. It wants me to do a freaking, trying to do the roadside special that wants to trip out. Just got on duty. Come on, man. This is the dumbest E-log I've ever seen them use. My other one on Omnitrack didn't do like this.
What company is that?
It's under C3 Logistics, but that's the parent company. Back to history. What's up, y'all? Fresh Trucker back. This is about some BS. I'm on a reset. I have less than 2 hours on my 70. I go to PC on my log. I go to the truck stop. I leave the truck stop to come to Walmart to get some groceries, and guess what? I get pulled over for a roadside inspection. And I'm on a reset with less than 2 hours on my 70. This is absolute BS. I'm like, I've got a sticker. I was just inspected 3 weeks ago. Don't matter. I'm doing one anyway. I'm like, dude, I said, is there any way you could not look? I can show you my inspection. I had a level 1 literally less than 3 weeks ago. I'm doing one. I'm like, you're going to interrupt a reset. Now you're going to mess up my load for tomorrow. Not happy, y'all. Not happy at all. Why does DOT do this? You've got a sticker. You're bobtail. I'm bobtail, y'all. I'm bobtail. On PC, on a reset, and I get stopped for a freaking inspection. Then he wants to know, is this a glider? Then he wants the serial number, wants the paperwork on the motor. Luckily, I keep the paperwork on the motor from Fitzgerald when I bought the truck. He matches that. Then he wants me to pop the hood so he can verify the serial number on the motor is the one on the paperwork, matching the VIN number on the paperwork for this truck. Wow. This is insane. Now I am absolutely screwed for work. Wow, now I'm going to have to try to recap, and hopefully I gain enough hours tomorrow for recapping, which I don't think I will. I don't think I'll gain enough to run. Wow. All you can say is, wow. Not happy, y'all. Anyway, what can you do? I appreciate it, sir.
All right, drive safe now.
They ain't gonna try to get me on my way back, are they?
No. You be good.
You have a good one, man. All right, y'all. As y'all just saw, the guy's actually really cool. Now I got to get back off duty. So, my reset's toast. But I hurry up and get off my clock, so now I've only got like an hour and 18 minutes left on my clock, on my 70, so that hurts. That absolutely screws me for next week. It's like, man, so that's gonna be the fun stuff, y'all, but what can you do? I mean, you can only do what you gotta do. Man, this hurts though. Oh, this hurts screwing up my reset like that. Oh, this absolutely hurts a reset. I mean, hard. Man, this. But yes, this absolutely ruined my day of my reset. It wouldn't be so bad, but I was just inspected with a level 1 like 2.5, 3 weeks ago with a level 1. Got a sticker right there, and still gonna do level 3. It was only level 3 paperwork and all that, but it's the fact that it just interrupted my reset. I needed a reset. Why couldn't it have happened Friday or Wednesday on the way down before we started the reset? Why'd it have to happen in the middle of a reset? So now, tomorrow, I've only got a couple hours I can run tomorrow. Because I only had just the hours, like 6 hours from Atlanta coming down. So I'm only going to gain those 6 hours. So I don't even get a full hour day. I mean, I can barely load it and make it through Atlanta tomorrow now, as opposed to making it all the way into North Carolina. Oh, this hurts. This absolutely hurts and ruins it, but this is trucking, y'all. This is trucking. Man. But the officer was nice. But he actually wanted to know the year of the motor. What kind of motor? Then he wanted the paperwork with matching the year of the motor and the serial number. Luckily, I had the printout from Detroit. On my bill of sale from Fitzgerald, it's got the serial number of the motor. Then I've also got the paperwork from Detroit that I called and had them email me, showing the year of the motor with that serial number when it was put in service, which this motor is actually a 1996 Detroit D60. 96. Well, then he went and matched the serial number. He couldn't find the serial number, but that's because the plate's so worn that you can barely see. He had to hold the light just right. But he was determined he was going to match that serial number with the paperwork to make sure that's the motor that goes in this truck. But I'm on E-log. I can understand if I was on a paper log, you want to verify, but I'm on the E-log. So, and he even looked at my E-logs. He went through my logs and even looked at my logs on E-log. But like I say, the guy was just as nice as can be. He was really friendly. But like he said, oh, you're going to get inspected. Because I was like, hey, any way you can not? Wasn't having it. He was going to do it. Anyway, y'all, we hope all y'all have a good, safe, blessed day. Man, this just ruined mine. Anyway, we'll holler at y'all in the next video, y'all. Peace out.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket.